Welcome to the True Grime Stories podcast, where in every episode, we'll unravel a new mystery of cleaning business transformation from a grimy mess to a great success. Join me, your host, Jeannie Henderson, as together we dig up cleaning business secrets that you've been dying to know. Hello, cleaning business friends. Jeannie here, and welcome back to True Grime Stories. This is a different kind of episode today, and probably the hardest I've ever recorded, because after a lot of reflection and prayer, I've made the decision to pause True Grime Stories for now. My husband is dealing with some serious health issues, and my place is with him. Family is everything, and I just want to be there for all the moments that matter the most. But this is why I created my business, to give me the time freedom to make the most important choices in lives like this one. I'm sure you feel much the same. But before I step away, I just want to say thank you. Thank you for being a listener of True Grime Stories, for sharing with me and for growing with me. Over the past year, we've created more than 60 episodes, and I've had the honor of hearing some of the most inspiring and sometimes raw stories from cleaning business owners across North America. These stories didn't just impact you, they changed me too. I've learned from every single guest, and I'm so energized and love being an entrepreneur more than ever before. And even though I'm pressing pause right now, I want you to know that this content is still here for you. Every single episode filled with lessons on leadership, mindset, growth. And I want to encourage you to go back and listen again. Find that episode that speaks to you and just take one action from it. It could change your life. Because that's where the magic of sharing True Grime Stories happens. And I'd love to leave you with just one thing. Remember that your business is a reflection of you as a leader. If something feels off, it's time to take a look inward, not with judgment, but with curiosity. Turn what frustrates you into fascination. One of the biggest lessons I've learned in this past year is that your team has to be aligned with your vision, not just on paper, but in their hearts and how they show up every single day. And the only way to know that is to take a regular pulse, have the conversations, ask lots of questions, and then listen very closely. Are they aligned with where you're going? Do they understand the why behind what you're building? Because if they're not, it doesn't mean they're wrong. It just means there's some work to do. It's time to roll up your sleeves. I recently had this happen in my own business because I haven't been able to be there in the day-to-day. That misalignment became discontent and division, and my business started to go backwards. I've always found that having a business is like tending a garden. It needs watering, and most of all, it needs your sunshine, because what you shine a light on grows. And honestly, my light's been a little dim lately. It can happen to any of us when we get distracted. As my focus has shifted to my family, my team wasn't fully ready for me to not be around every day. I wasn't leading my team, and it showed that they still needed me. I've had to make some hard decisions and jump back in to help to get us back on track. And it's a reminder to me that leadership is just about creating that clarity and that shared purpose. It's about alignment. So now we're systemizing a culture, we're getting our relationships back on track so that our business can continue to run smoothly and to continue to grow without me. Well, the good news is we're getting back on track, and my team is excited about our new systems and growth. Because when your team is aligned with your vision, that's when your business really starts to come alive. So that is my wish for you. I hope you found this little reminder helpful about leadership. This season in my life, it's been a big reminder to me. And being part of this has just made me so grateful. So as I wrap up today, I just want you to know that this isn't goodbye forever. It's just a pause. Thank you for all the kind messages and to all our amazing True Grime Stories guests. I couldn't have done this without you. And I hope to be back someday when the time is right. Until then, I'll be cheering you on every step of the way. Of course, I want to encourage you to consider cleaning business fundamentals. And I'm here if you have questions about this program that changed my life in really big ways. So I leave you with this. I encourage you to keep growing, keep leading, and keep writing your own true grime story. And thank you for letting me be a small part of it. I'll see you again someday. That's a wrap on today's True Grime Stories. Thanks for joining us in uncovering the secrets of cleaning business success. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and download, and check out our show notes for links and info from today's episode, and to learn more about our sponsor, Cleaning Business Fundamentals. Join us next time as we solve another True Grime story.